Ventures. He has been a great supporter of Headstart, and I personally have learned a lot in the last few years from his from his insights. And without taking much time, thank you so much, Saurabh, once again for joining us, and over to you.
Most welcome. Thank you. Hi everyone. How are you all? Show me some energy, na? How are you all? How's the Josh? Okay. So head start वाले हमेशा मेरे साथ cheating करते हैं. बोलते 4 बजे workshop लेना फिर कहते हैं let's start with you, right? So I have a lot of responsibility getting the energy up high, okay? And it was great to listening to all of you. It's a mixed bunch of founders from medical science, D2C, agri, tech, B2B, B2C, everything, right? So I'm gonna cover a bit of general stuff because I only have 40 minutes, right? But I believe I have already shown you a demo of how you can create organically content like this, right? So there was no camera team. I carry my iPhone and a small stand, and I can create this content anywhere, everywhere, right? So just for the piece of introduction, I'll share a bit more about myself later. Okay. Who am I? I have been a very enthusiastic organic content builder. I started my content journey way beyond people started thinking about it. I was building communities and content from 2012, just right after giving divorce to mechanical engineering. And I understood two, three things that you need volume if you want to make money in life. And my father has been an industrial oil distributor. So distribution is a word which is like drilled in my head that no matter how good is the product, if there is no distribution, there won't be a business or money. Do you agree with me on that? Right? Distribution makes more sense, right? You can create just a Lifebuoy soap which is 10 rupees, distribute to the billions of people and make billions of dollars, or you can create a AI worth investing 10 20 crores. Don't sell it to anyone, you won't make any money, but you'll be in a debt of 20 cr. Correct? And I have met a lot of people like that. They don't believe in distribution, they don't believe in content, they don't believe in marketing. Correct? It goes completely against their own business, right? So I started building this entire community called the Success Brew community way back in 2019. I think we hosted the first meetup. Then pandemic happened. Then I went completely online. But I was a beta user of Zoom call also, right? So and the day I could use first time Zoom call, I was like, this is awesome. I don't need to go out and meet anyone now. I can talk and I can do my business. And that's how I started a training business first, and a lot of trainers went and asked me that how can you support on WhatsApp and how can you do online training, this is cheating to the industry, we book hotels and we spend so much money. Like you guys will have to do it sooner or later. And then pandemic came, so these bunch of haters actually became my students on how to train online, right? And I sold them a lot of workshops. So this is like across India. I have done a lot of meetups, even in Dubai, US, and Canada as well. Some meetups happen. We are present in almost 27 countries. So leave the countries. India is good for me to build anything big. Any of you thinks that India is not a market? इंडिया के लोग पैसा नहीं देते हैं? किसी को ऐसा कुछ चलता है माइंड में? Okay. You have seen. Okay, cool. Which business you are in, sir? Into tech. Okay. इंडिया के बिजनेस को आरओआई बताओगे और स्टार्टअप वर्ल्ड से बाहर निकल के एसएमबी माइक्रो एमएसएमईज में जाओगे, they are doing more IPOs than we can think in the startup world. There are revenues between 50 to 300 500 crores, profitable businesses, no investment taken, they have a lot of money. It is just that getting into their head is a little tough. That's it. So you go with the reference, you can get into their heads. Okay. Now I am also the host of Success Brew podcast. We started in Feb, so I was hesitant. How many of you have thought of starting a podcast? कितने लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया? नहीं किया, राइट? सो एक दिन रात को मैंने 11 बजे अपने 5 क्लाइंट्स को फोन किया. आई सेड टुमारो आई एम बुकिंग द स्टूडियो, बी अहेड दिस टाइम. 2 घंटे के गैप में वी शॉट 5 एपिसोड्स. Out of that, we created 100 micro pieces of content. We used it for entire year. For the next season, we got sponsored by Zoho. Right? So 150 subscribers on YouTube channel, we have monetized with a podcast. So it is possible when your distribution is very, very strong, right? So these are few of the episodes that I mentioned. I think you should see, subscribe the channel, and we'll talk later. So this is the rise of Success Brew as a community. I never thought it will become so huge. It was only a support system. In my community group, it is always about you ask a question and somebody will help you. Somebody will break that bottleneck for you and you move a next step ahead. That's it, right? Over the period of these 6 years, last year I started talking to people who has got any business from the community or investment from the community. This when we created this graphic, it was around 1.5 to $2 million. In the next 2 years, it has reached to $6 to $8 million of business exchange happening, where we are like, and Headstart has been a great supporter in that space, because if my community doesn't have connections, Headstart will definitely have those connections, and we help them meet and connect. So this became a part. Like, why am I here today? It's a big question. Why would somebody invite me from Delhi? And now I have moved to Chandigarh, to Bangalore, to take a workshop. And I believe that Bangalore has a lot of people who can do content and personal branding. They're much better than me sometimes, right? But I come here because of this message mostly. So I took one of these workshops in 2022, HSX, and I was damn scared because those people sitting in front of me were some of the great VCs, people from community lead of Quora, Meta. It was crazy for me to take that workshop, and it was the first physical workshop after 2 3 years of pandemic. But then Gautam sent me this message. Saurabh, people are raving about your workshop. Everybody knows Gautam here, director Headstart. Okay. Now, if he appraises something, it means a world to me. I have framed it in my home so that whenever I feel down in my life, I read this, and that's the motivation for me, right? So, whenever Gautam calls, I cannot say no to it. Correct. So, this is something similar I'm going to share with a lot of you today. And we need to interact a lot. I'm going to ask you a lot of questions because this workshop is not for me to talk, but you to talk, right? And I'm recording this, so it will go on the Headstart YouTube channel. Anytime in life you want to revisit, you can. Correct? Okay. So let's dive into this. So, how many of you are into hardcore D2C businesses? Product D2C. Okay. Service oriented businesses. Okay. AI tech. Okay. And इसके अलावा जिन्होंने अभी तक हाथ नहीं खड़ा किया वो किस किस बिजनेस में है? Farming. Okay. So farming is it's a tech plus service. Okay, good. So it's into tech and service. Anything else in the room? Okay. Just one more hands up. Who are into B2C? Okay. So majorly are B2B here now. B2B2C. Okay. That's a common stuff. Okay. So last year when I took the workshop, it was only about LinkedIn, crack your LinkedIn code. It was more on personal branding side, but now I've mixed it with personal and company branding both, because I received this a lot of questions that Saurabh, once I end up building a personal brand, people only depend on me and my business doesn't work without me. And I thought that was not good for a business. A business has to run without a founder as a separate entity, and the founder should be free to maybe diversify or to see more growth and research and development. Correct? So, first point is setting up your objectives right. Correct? Now, like I was told, it will be more D2C founders. Okay, but even if it is not, these can be three of your objectives while you are creating your own content. Maybe LinkedIn, maybe Instagram. I am not a LinkedIn pro, although I have major following there, 150,000 people, right? But I believe everybody has to find their primary platform first, right? So for one of our D2C clients who's into spiritual jewelry business, I'm going to talk a little more about her today. For her, we tried LinkedIn, we did Instagram, we did everything, but Facebook worked best for her. Organic content also. So how many of you think Facebook is dead in organic content? कोई ऐसा है जो फेसबुक पे है ही नहीं? Okay, be on Facebook communities, Facebook groups. It's crazy amazing. Yes sir, you had a question.
So in our as a very we are in a pretty niche product and हमारे वाले केस में सोशल मीडिया किसी भी एंगल से
क्या प्रोडक्ट है सर आपका?
So our our first entry point or connect is the admin guy.
Okay. Product क्या है?
We are into the food tech domain.
Okay.
We digitalize the cafeteria for universities.
Okay.
Or corporates.
Okay. Which means your point of contact can be a purchase manager or the facility manager also.
Facility management, admin.
Facility management, hospitality managers, right? Pretty much available on LinkedIn, sir.
अवेलेबल है, ऐसा
हाँ.
नहीं अवेलेबल है, मतलब वो मतलब admin
Again, so that's what I'm gonna say, that this is not about lead generation, this is not about your first POC, this is about your digital presence. When they meet you somewhere and you have connected with the right person, they are going to go home and check about you. So what should they see? Correct? So when people see me, meet me, and sometimes they underestimate me also with a lot of things, right? Like a 19-year-old reached out to me on Instagram and said, okay, I know, are you flirting with content or are you serious about it? I said, bro, when you were 14, I was already at some 14 lakh followers, right? So there is no point of talking about it. So there can be three of your major objectives for your personal content and brand. One is your team building, right? Because your team, when it grows, right, or maybe a small team, you cannot talk to everyone what is going on in your mind. They will read it through your content. Your stakeholders and your consumer community. Maybe today you have only one customer. They also need some updates. What's happening around? Maybe the product is enhancing or anything like that. Correct? So one of the examples which happened with this kind of a content. So this founder messaged me. I think a lot of you cannot read this right now. So he said, Saurav, I've got 40,000 views in this 6 hours. LinkedIn is magic. I also got an angel investor committing 15 lakhs for my startup. Now this startup is called Pital. How many of you know them? They were Shark Tank first all shark deal, right? Building utensils with, a lot of Patiala based old school Thatera literacy and all, right? So they got into Shark Tank, then they got into a lot of big deals they have already done. But this was my first call with Aditya in 2021, where I told him what kind of a content he can write on LinkedIn. This post he shared about one of the products, a customer feedback, and after using the customer feedback, how the entire game changed for the product and what revenues they did. Now, an investor is looking for revenue numbers and the attitude of a founder to listen to the customer. Two things hit well. They were like this. After this message, two more commitments came, right? So that's how the journey started, right? So for your product perspective, when we talk about the company side, now I'm gonna start mixing both the things, personal and the product side. So product content will build clarity of use case, correct? Now, sir, you have a product which is into tech side of things, operational management for maybe hospitalities, cafes, or universities. But it is not very easy to actually understand where you fit right. So when you create content around your product, you are reiterating that, okay, where is the use case of my product for you? And then there might be a case somebody you have not imagined can be your customer comes in and says, okay, I might need this product with a little shift. If you can do it, it will be great. If not, you can put it into a future perspective, right? That's how the product development also helps, right? किसके लिए आपका product सबसे अच्छा है, right? Reaching out to that customer and telling them that my customer may not be good for you also. My product may not be good for you. Like मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, like we run an entire content marketing agency and I tell that I'm not good for a lot of startups, right? Because for someone like him, only doing organic content will not create business and it will be a loss of money for him, correct? So he has to use different channels to develop business, but digital media is to present what he is doing to the public or the investors or the team, correct? Then it builds a lot of trust when there is a product awareness consistently coming in. नया क्या आ रहा है इस product में क्या हो रहा है? It's kind of also accepting your failures and mistakes on the product, being a little vulnerable, which helps your audience and the future target market that okay, you are authentic in your stuff, you are not cheating them. Okay, um, so this is Ira Kaur. She's the founder of a jewelry-based product called Self Love Jewels, and she got a B2B collaboration because of her content. Now that B2B collaboration has 300,000 people in their community, which are her prospective customers, and 60% of those community members are based in Canada, right? It took like from the first conversation to actually going her products on their portal, it took a year, right? But from January it will go live. and we are expecting another revenue of $200,000 in the next 6 months just because of one collaboration. Now, why this collaboration happened? This entire community was already looking for the products, and they were talking to many spiritual healers and guides, but they could not see content from them. So she has all the content that we build, all the brand assets, product content, and all. It does not have millions of views. But when a collaboration started seeing her content, they said, okay, this is a lady we should connect to because she can create more content, right? So it helped in a B2B collaboration. Even if you are a B2C business, like you said, a B2B2C, right? It can hit a good collaboration. Okay. So together, these two things doing together builds a profitable brand always. It has done for me, a lot of our clients, a lot of community members. It will work for you as well. Now, SWOT आप सब लोगों ने बहुत अलग तरीके से हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं देखा होगा, right? Okay. For me, in terms of content, when I say, create a video, shoot a video, not everybody is comfortable. How many of you are not comfortable shooting videos? Less comfortable, right? How many of you think यार वीडियो शूट भी कर लिया तो एडिट करना पड़ेगा, फिर पोस्ट करना पड़ेगा, डेटा मैनेज करना पड़ेगा, बहुत काम है, राइट? ओके, बट कैन यू सिट एंड राइट? Can you sit and write? Correct? So I have even seen people who are not creating videos on Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn, but they write very, very well, they articulate very well, they can think very well. So they start writing, put it onto a black and white carousel in presentations, which can be done on Canva very easily, and post it there, right? Consistently doing that, it becomes your brand language that, okay, this founder writes like this, very simple, very frugal, and it can be done. So I did a storytelling course way back in 2022, right? Just edtech platform से वो course किया था, वो platform तो बंद हो गया, right? The course was from Zakir Khan. And after that course, I wrote a 39-page black and white carousel. And I said, okay, let me write my story from 2011 to 2022, right? Reading that carousel, Zoho came as a client. And we are retaining it for past 4 years now, right? So you don't know what will happen using content right now. So you have to experiment a bit. Start with whatever you can do right now. So your strength is not creating content. Your strength is whatever kind of content you can create the best, right? How many video people here good with videos? Okay, I can do videos, not a problem. Okay. Can you shoot one video today itself and post? Right? I'm happy to have a short conversation. I can post on my community also, from Headsa channel also. Make sense? How many of you can start writing if you are not already writing? Maybe you can just write small thoughts on Instagram stories. It can start like that, right? Okay. Whichever platform you feels good initially, right? Okay. Once you see that, okay, you are able to write and accumulate some content, then you can hire an intern, say, okay, distribute the same content on all the platforms. Correct? Then weakness, what could you improve? I believe for most of the people in terms of content, their way of communication is a skill which is a problem, right? We try to only communicate from a perspective that I have a product or a service and I need to sell. But what about you go from a perspective that, okay, he may not need my product, but he might need somebody else's product, and I just help him find the right match. Correct? You will maintain a great relationship, and this person will come back with someone who needs you. It happens all the time, right? I understand as a founder, your focus is building your business, not building somebody else's business. You are not a mediator, but building connections is like that. So you can just keep in touch with people. So your communication skills in terms of writing, in terms of speaking anywhere will make a lot of difference. So I say whenever you even introduce yourself in a 1-minute story, right? Okay. It should be memorable to people, right? Okay. So अभी मुझे बताओ, if I pick up any random person here, बाकी सब लोग उसका इंट्रोडक्शन याद करके बता सकते हैं कि उसने क्या बोला था? आपका नाम? हर्षित। हर्षित ने क्या बोला था, किसी को याद है? नहीं, तुमको तो याद है। और कितने लोगों को याद है कि हर्षित ने अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या बोला था? Something about the example, right? Okay. कितने दिन आपको ये याद रहेगा? 1 साल बाद आपको हर्षित कहीं बैंगलोर की चर्च स्ट्रीट पे मिल जाएगा, तो आप शायद भूल भी जाओगे तू कौन, राइट और नॉट? करेक्ट? सो दैट्स वेयर योर स्किल्स इन दैट पिच. सो अगर आपकी जगह मैं होता वहां पे, तो पहले तो मैं यहाँ पे आ जाता माइक उठा के, I would make first difference in the story. Correct or not? Correct. So I will make some difference in the story to make myself more memorable to other people. Right? There are a lot of people creating a lot of content, but they are not memorable enough. They don't do enough. कितने लोग गोट लाइफ के फाउंडर को फॉलो करते हैं? So there is a protein powder product called Goat Life, right? It's a healthy D2C brand. Now what this guy does is पिकल बॉल कोर्ट पे कुछ चल रहा है, वहां पे स्टील की थालियां और अपना प्रोडक्ट लेके पहुंच जाएगा, प्रोटीन लंगर लगाएंगे. All the photos becomes content, right? He will take a normal सब्जी वाला कार्ट, उस पे अपने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स लगाए, चलो अपनी ही गाड़ी पे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स के पैकेट्स को टेप से चिपका के पूरे शहर में घूम रहे, right? 4 days ago, a founder pitched his product in an Indigo flight. Randomly stood up, okay, I am a founder and this is this I do. It became viral unnecessarily. Mainstream media picked it up. A founder is doing so and so. Free PR. All you have to do is stand up and talk, right? But how many people will actually have a courage to talk in a running flight? Right? हम लोग पहले तो सोचेंगे यार लोग मुझे बेवकूफ समझेंगे, ये समझेंगे, वो समझेंगे. But he does it, right? But some people take that courage, right? So this is what I'm saying, opportunity. All of us get a lot of opportunity, right? But we don't take benefit of the opportunity, right? Ma'am, आपका D2C product है? It's a health product? Is it a physical product? Are you carrying 100 pieces of your product here today? आपकी जगह मैं होता तो अभी सबके टेबल पे एक प्रोडक्ट होता. I would catch this opportunity today itself, right? मैं इनको घर खाली नहीं भेजता, right? Because first time when I came to Bangalore, I came with 25 these hoodies, right? And I gave to every important person of the Head Start community, right? They still wear it every winters and they send me a photo, okay, winter is here and your hoodie is out. And they travel. Like every time I can talk about it, right? So this year we finally launched it on our YouTube store. Okay, people can now buy it also, right? So you have to give people something that they can remember you. Correct? Even if you are an AI tech startup, can you create a small card with a QR code, give it to everyone? Right? Now do something on that card that it does not go into a dustbin. Maybe a motivational quote, maybe a happy quote, maybe उस पर राम भगवान की फोटो लगा दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It does not matter, right? That's content also, right? ठीक है? Then come your threats, right? Stay away from useless trends. I think if you are a serious founder, useless social media trends are not for you, especially into B2B segment. You can take a little benefit from like अभी अक्षय खन्ना का बहुत सीन चल रहा है, you can dance on it, but how much it matter because now everybody is doing it, correct? And if you see that entire dance and all, like I have not watched the movie as of now, but there's nothing special. It is mass distribution of a 3-second clip, right, to make a brand Akshay Khanna again. It's a pure PR move, right? There is no direct virality or something. Everything is distributed very well, planned very well. Similarly, this movie came सैयारा, right? वहाँ पे 17-18 साल के बच्चे हार्ट अटैक आ रहा था उन्हें थिएटर में, कैसे आ सकता है? मूवी ऐसा कुछ नहीं था मूवी में. It was a planned PR move to make it a 200-300 crore movie, right? So similarly, you can do it very frugally, do something creative that is picked up by mainstream media, right? आपको कुछ ना कुछ खुराफाती रोज सोचना पड़ता है बैठ के, correct? Okay? And never pick a cold war into comments with your competition on social media. It goes completely against you most of the times, right? So one of my friend's wife, who is an environmentalist, building a very amazing sustainable D2C brand, pure cotton shirts, picked up a fight with Snitch founder on LinkedIn. कि तुमने तो पूरा planet बर्बाद कर रखा पॉलिएस्टर बेच के. Very bad. Don't do it. Correct? So a lot of founders get emotional about what they are doing and what they think, and they try abusing other people. Don't do it. Correct? That is not piece of a right content. Okay. Now you have to create two useful personas. One is your own persona, right? Okay. So in your content, you don't need to be very, different. कि यार मेरा content बहुत polished होना चाहिए, right? या ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए कि लोगों को लगे कि मैं अच्छा लिखता हूँ. जहां पे लगवाना पड़े ना, वहां प्रॉब्लम है, right? Okay, so if you are trying to make people that you are rich, that means you are not rich. If you are rich, you will walk into a room and people will feel that richness. by default the energy will be very different, correct or not? So आप लोगों ने भी बहुत सारा कंटेंट सोशल मीडिया पे देखा होगा एंड यू माइट थिंक यार ठीक है यार बहुत सारे व्यूज हैं बट मजा नहीं आया, फेक है, होता है. डोंट ट्राई टू फेक एनीथिंग, correct? So your persona should be your own personality going out as it is, right? And I think for that all of you should read one of these books called The Go Getter. Okay, one of the amazing books for founders who would like to understand what networking really means, what being authentic really means. The Go Getter. And second is How to Win Friends and Influence People, right? Both the books has been an amazing read for me. And then comes your brand persona. How many of you have done a detailed brand strategy for yourself, for your brand, for your company? Brand guidelines, voice, tone, like if your brand is also another human being, उसका personality क्या है? किया है सबने? किसने नहीं किया है? जिसने नहीं किया है प्लीज कर लो, नहीं तो 10 लोगों की टीम होगी और उन 10 से मैं अलग अलग खड़ा करके पूछूंगा ना आपका ब्रांड क्या करता है, तो सब अलग जवाब देंगे, right? Everybody will be talking a different language and your customers will get confused, right? It happens consistently across platforms. Okay, then comes setting your budget. I'm bringing it very fast for the budget part, and this is the longest part because whenever brands come to us they don't have a budget set, right? If founder does not know कि कितना पैसा खर्चा करना है और क्या ROI निकालना है, तो एजेंसी तो पैसा कमा के चली जाएगी, राइट? सो फिर एजेंसी वैसा वकील है जो 2 लोगों का डिवोर्स करा के अपना पैसा कमा के निकल रही है, करेक्ट? सो इफ यू आर रीचिंग आउट टू एनी एजेंसी, राइट, इफ दे आर नॉट आस्किंग यू अ स्ट्रेट क्वेश्चन, ओके सर व्हाट्स योर बजट or what's your goal, it is not the right agency anyway, correct? And even if you are starting your marketing thinking that okay I don't need to set the budgets, it's a problem, big problem. किस किस के पास अपने अगले साल के मार्केटिंग बजट सेट हैं ऑलरेडी? ओके, ये क्या आधे सेट है? ओके, सो जिस हाँ नहीं अगेन फंड्स आएंगे भी तो उतना ही ना जितना बजट सेट करोगे. आई हैव सीन पिच डेक्स जिसमें मार्केटिंग बजट ही नहीं होता, सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट बजट है. ऐसे मार्केटिंग कैसे करोगे? सारा पैसा फिर से प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट में चला गया. सो स्पेशली पीपल हु आर लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट और डेवलपमेंट और रिसर्च, they don't even think of marketing as a budget or lead generation as a budget or content as a budget, right? But if you see today legacy brands, right, like from Farah Khan to Manyavar to Mohe, right, they are creating YouTube IPs big time. Farah Khan का केस स्टडी भी रिसेंटली कितना वायरल हुआ है that she said more money on YouTube than the movies, right? 400 crores in a year, correct? Brands are picking her up in terms of using her content for the brand collaborations and part, right? Very organic content, and she picked up her cook as a co-host of the entire series and doing those vlogs, right? Now if you see those vlogs, they are not filmed very highly, they're simple, they're frugal, correct? And it can be done by anyone, right? So for early stage bootstrap and likely funding brands, how much should I spend से ज्यादा अच्छा सवाल है where should I spend my money, because not every platform is good for you. Somebody who's looking for, let's say, US market or out of India market should be more on Reddit, right? Okay, and LinkedIn as a combination both, right? Because Reddit is amazing community platforms. Okay, now the golden rule: spend on skills and systems before you scale. How many of you think कि पैसा वैसा आ जाएगा ना तो systems, process, brand strategy, skills सब बाद में बनाएंगे, पैसा आने के बाद बनाएंगे? कितने लोगों ने ऐसा किया है अभी तक? Raise of hands. ऐसे कोई नहीं बैठेगा, ऐसे कोई नहीं बैठेगा. Have a pen and paper if you have this habit, right? Because जैसे ही आप ये भेजते हो ना, अच्छा बोल ले भाई मैं तो सुनूंगा, right? Okay? So कितने लोग ऐसे हैं एक्चुअली में जिन्होंने बोला सिस्टम, प्रोसेस, स्किल पे काम पैसा आने के बाद करेंगे, या कंपनी थोड़ी बड़ी हो जाए फिर करेंगे, right? A big company doesn't create systems. A small company that creates systems always become big because that's a systematic company. There's a systematic growth. So you have to focus on that part. If you don't have clarity, like अगर आपको ही क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि मुझे कहाँ पैसा खर्चा करना है, एड्स रन करने हैं कि एसईओ करना है, तो जो भी एड्स रन करोगे इट विल इवन एड मोर टू योर कंफ्यूजन rather than the result of getting a right customer, right? Okay, so let's say everybody who's sitting here, you might be at different stages, your bank balance might be different, so I'm just giving you certain numbers, you can pick up whatever fits best for you, Okay. So let's say what actually works, content creation is like a 40 to 50% of your overall marketing, right? Because content is the forefront of everything. It can start from 10,000 rupees, right? Now, how it can start from 10,000 rupees for a founder? All of you have a phone, okay? This Digitech tripod is like 1200 bucks, and this mic is 700 rupees. I'm not using any fancy stuff myself, correct? I have an entire studio also, but when I travel, this is my friend, correct? Phone सबके पास है. All you have to do is think of, okay, this 1 month, what am I gonna do for my content? Can you use ChatGPT to do some more research, perplexity and all, because अभी वो सब बहुत easy हो गया है, right? और कुछ नहीं, जैसे आप स्टूडेंट्स के बिजनेस में हो, आपके पास ऑलरेडी 2 लाख डाउनलोड्स हैं, करेक्ट? कैन यू गैदर 200 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम देम? 200 क्वेश्चंस, आपके पास 2 लाख डाउनलोड्स हैं, राइट? द स्टूडेंट्स आर यूजिंग योर ऐप ऑलरेडी. Can you gather 200 of their questions? They might throw random questions at you. All you have to do is follow my Instagram page. I'm gonna answer every question in one reel. How much time does it take? If you are a founder, you have a clarity of what you're doing. You read the question, you answer it on the story, you are done. One video every day, if you do, it is not costing you anything practically apart from your 10 minutes of time. How many of you can do that easily? This is the beginning of content. This is easy. You have to just get your, because ultimately you're creating for the consumer, right? And when a consumer thinks, when a student level person thinks ki, okay, I'm using this app, I'm connected to the founder, he answered my question, they talk about it to another 200 students कि भाई ये वाला ऐप, राइट, यहाँ पे ना जवाब मिलता है मुझे, है ना? बाकी जगह तो कस्टमर सर्विस ही बहुत बेकार है, right? So in the tech, I always say it's a service business because you have to ultimately resolve the problems consistently, right? Okay. So ये 10 से 50,000 में आपका क्या बेसिक वीडियो शूट कवर हो सकता है, राइट? एडिटिंग के लिए कोई भी एक्सपेंसिव टूल्स खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है. इंस्टाग्राम का अपना भी इन हाउस like inbuilt features are there for editing for the stories and reels, and they have a new product called Edit by Instagram, right? You can edit your products there, correct? Shorts, reels, LinkedIn videos, everything can be done there. And मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, have a courage to go completely raw, correct? Because a lot of visual hooks are about vulnerability. कि मैं यहाँ कुछ कर रहा हूँ, पानी गिर गया, अब लोग सारे पानी गिर गया, अब क्या होगा? Makes people more curious, right? So if you are not good at English or Hindi or a language that you're speaking, it's okay. When I started writing on LinkedIn in 2018, somebody actually commented on my post कि भाई grammar इतनी खराब है, English लिखता ही क्यों है? Correct? Then I started using a tool called Grammarly rather than I start learning English now. Right? I still speak very poor English, and it is okay for me because I'm still making enough money to live my life, and I'm still able to impact a lot of people. Correct? English does not matter to me. Correct? So simple creatives and carousels, Canva is almost free. Otherwise, it's like 3,000 a year. Correct? So मैंने क्या किया? Rather than I add my team as a teammate and add more money to Canva, I created a separate email ID, gave all of them access. सब use कर. Correct? We build all the projects and all. Subtitles, formatting, सपोर्ट फॉर पोस्ट. अगर मान लो आपने सब कंटेंट बना भी लिया बट यू डोंट हैव टाइम डेली मैनेज द कंटेंट पोस्ट, hire a intern, maybe 5-7,000 max, a college student who want to learn, be part of the startup game, enthusiast, there are a lot of them, correct? You can always pick up, right? What matters is consistency is the fuel for all platforms, any platform. अगर आप बोल रहे हो ना कि मैं okay, अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि मैं हर रोज 7 बजे एक सवाल का जवाब दूंगा, तो वो हर रोज 7 बजे होना चाहिए. That's your consistency.
See, I find, sorry, can I?
Yeah.
I find the concept as an is very challenging.
Concept means?
The concept of the concept for the content to be created.
Okay, so let's say for someone like you, if you have a SaaS product which is helping managing this cafes and all, right? You have a software product,
Yeah,
right?
it's an app.
Right? It's an app, right? All you have to do is open that app on your laptop, record your screen. Okay, this can be done.
That we have done it. I have done it couple of times. But
So then you can pick up challenges, like let's say you walk into a random cafe and you talk to them ki, okay, what are your 3 top challenges in operations? Can be done.
So we digitalize the cafeteria,
ठीक है.
currently the kind of pocket we have, more focus is on corporate because it's a low hanging fruit in the money. So a simple anybody who's working in a corporate which is more than 500, 600, that could be a TE. We pitch them and we digitalize. So when we going to the cafeteria and then talking to the people, talking to the owner who's running, what are your challenges? They always have a manpower as a challenge and could be, but then we are not addressing that concept.
So see, they have a manpower challenge, but can that manpower challenge be replaced by your software?
No.
No, it can be. So you have to dig more deep. We can talk one to one later, right? I will need to also understand more about your product before I can give you more advice. Yeah.
So, sir, इसमें ना even if your target customer does something which you are not solving, if you just address that problem in front of them, they feel कि हाँ you know their problems, you are connected. For example, हमारे में भी students का we don't teach them, we just giving them practice questions. So we tell them कि हाँ we see that you have a problem in selecting the books. A lot of students have this. Maybe select this. We are not providing a solution ourselves. But सिर्फ address करने से they feel very connected to you.
Yes.
You are connected to their problems.
It works, right?
And
So किसी ने बोला था अगर ब्राइडल मेकअप बेच रहे हो ना तो आपको कंटेंट बनाना पड़ेगा शादी के लिए लड़का कैसे ढूंढे से शादी का खर्चा कैसे मैनेज करें सब कुछ, राइट? कंटेंट आपको पूरा बनाना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स से फाउंडर्स पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग, इट इज नेवर मोर देन 5 to 30,000, राइट? ओके, इंटरनल टीम होगी तो बहुत कम हो जाता है, किसी एजेंसी को भी हायर करोगे तो 30 to 50,000 डिपेंडिंग अपॉन व्हाट आर यू आस्किंग द एजेंसी टू डू, राइट? अगर पूरा वीडियो एडिटिंग सब कुछ करना है तो इट कैन बी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. सो लिंक्डइन कंटेंट स्ट्रेटजी, पोस्ट राइटिंग फॉर एडिटिंग सपोर्ट, you know, thoughts, positioning, storytelling, consistency system, all of this doesn't cost you a lot of money. I think for a founder, they know what they're doing consistently. And even if you feel that, okay, like sir has a confusion on the concept of content and all, there are millions of YouTube videos. You can just sit once, understand. There are so many content creators talking about the kind of content you can create. All you have to follow some right people and get some more ideas ki okay ye ho sakta hai, right? Okay, now I have seen in a lot of times founder trust on LinkedIn, on different platforms, have helped reduced CAC a lot, right? Especially in cases like yours where there's a huge student community you already have. If you have to double the user base, it is one student talking to one more student, that's it, right? One university student talking to another university student saying okay, we are using this and this is helpful, right? All you have to do is leverage on that loyalty and referral, correct? It will help you a lot. So distribution, community tools, so it can be, let's say, a person you hire to post on all the platforms you have, or there are so many SaaS tools now, right? You can just fill up all your content, it will post on the times you see, correct? So there are a lot of tools anyway, so I'm not naming any particular tool, but they are all available. Scheduling tools, email, WhatsApp broadcast, community platforms, analytics and tracking. I think this can be done on Zoho also. A lot of things Zoho has involved now into the platform, correct? Why this matters? Creation without distribution is a waste of work, right? If I create this video and it is still on my phone after 6 months, it is not helping me out, it is not helping anybody else out. But if I put it on YouTube, 3 different channels, Headshot channel, my channel, one more my own community channel, maybe only 300 more people will watch it, right? Okay, because we are not million follower influencers, so maybe only 300 more people will watch it, but they will actually get some help out of it, correct? Then there can be little bit of आपको ad run करना है, boost करना है post को, bit of experimentation that you can do in testing your creatives and all, right? So no ads without organic proof, right? So I was talking about this founder in Chandigarh. He said, Saurabh, any ad we have to run, we first go organic. We use it like behind the scenes on our SEO blogs and all. We check it out how those keywords are working, and then we scale it to the ads. Before that, we don't do it. So testing is very, very important, right? Okay. What not to spend on in an early stage? How many of you think एक बड़ा influencer मिल जाए, दोस्त बन जाना तो बस आज ही कहानी सेट हो जाएगी? नहीं होगी, right? Okay. Because अगर वो कहानी सेट होती तो this app where I learned the storytelling course, वहाँ पे सारे influencers ही कोर्स बना रहे थे, वो खुद कैसे फेल हो गया, correct? Okay. Fancy brand films you don't need, expensive agencies you don't need, daily posting teams is also not required. Maybe you set a consistency of only 2 or 3 posts a week, but that should be consistent. Like it should be predictable that okay, something will come from this, right? And don't follow the vanity metrics, because if you think that Okay, my post is getting only 100 views. Just close your eyes and imagine 100 people sitting in front of you. It will not look small at all. Correct? I posted this first podcast of season 2, and a lot of VCs actually watched it. And we got 5 VC calls. Saurav, I want to connect with the founder and invest in his company. How many people actually watched the podcast in total? 250 people, 50 views, right? 10 minutes average watch time of a 1 hour, 30-minute episode, but there are 5 inbound investment deals coming in. इससे बड़ा रिजल्ट क्या चाहिए? सो वेनिटी मैट्रिक्स है कि मेरे मिलियंस में व्यूज होने चाहिए, रियल मैट्रिक्स है कि हमें फंडिंग चाहिए था, मिल गया, राइट? सो व्हेन यू क्रिएट दिस कंटेंट, यू नो VCs आर आल्सो स्ट्रगलिंग टू गेट राइट स्टार्टअप्स. इट इज नॉट दैट यू आर ओनली स्ट्रगलिंग टू गेट फंडिंग. VCs का अलग लेवल चैलेंज चल रहा है मार्केट. करेक्ट? So just wise budgeting thinking. So you can just, if you are just starting, it's 25 to 40k. I would say even 10k is good enough if you can just manage a bit of more time. Because मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ अगर पैसा नहीं है तो टाइम तो बहुत आपके पास. Correct or not? क्योंकि अगर पैसा नहीं है तो उतना स्केल नहीं किया, which means you have enough time to create your content, right? ठीक है, 3 से 4 पोस्ट हर हफ्ते कर सकते हो, हैवी एड्स की जरूरत नहीं है. अर्ली ट्रैक्शन है, थोड़ा सा और बजट बढ़ाओ, थोड़ा कंटेंट में जाओ, थोड़ा पॉलिश कर सकते हो, राइट? रेडी टू स्केल हो, फंडिंग आ गया है, एनीवेयर बिटवीन 1-2 करोड़ 3 करोड़, यू कैन रेज योर बजट टू 1 लाख. मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? बिकॉज अगर आप 1 से 1.5 लाख बजट खर्चा कर रहे हो तो आपने पूरे साल में लेट से 20 लाख रुपए खर्चा किया है, राइट? इफ यू आर अ कॉन्फिडेंट फाउंडर, यू विल मेक 5x ऑफ इट फ्रॉम कंटेंट. आई एम डैम श्योर अबाउट इट, राइट? कंटेंट पे सिर्फ वो लोग खर्चा नहीं करते हैं फंडिंग उठाने के बाद जिनको अपने प्रोडक्ट पे या खुद के कंटेंट पे भरोसा नहीं है. इट इज नॉट अबाउट एन एजेंसी or your own digital team. It does not matter at all after that.
See, if you see that ROI is not coming, maybe it's a niche product or something like that.
So देखो, ROI ना मल्टीपल चैनल से आएगा. दिस इज वन थिंग दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. आपके लिए B2B सेल्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So that one guy who is B2B sales, who's knocking the doors every day, is very important for you, right? But then this content will also help you reach out to a lot of more people. So आपको ये भी समझना पड़ेगा कि आपका B2B नेटवर्क क्या है. B2B प्लेटफॉर्म्स भी तो है ना. सोशल मीडिया इज नॉट ओनली लिंक्डइन और इंस्टाग्राम एंड ऑल, राइट? ओके, सोशल मीडिया इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. दे आर क्लोज नेटवर्क कम्युनिटीज, राइट? ठीक है, सो वहां से भी आपको इम्पैक्ट मिलेगा. अगेन दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, यू हैव टू एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड फाइंड आउट अ राइट प्लेस फॉर योर कंटेंट. बहुत जरूरी है, हम उसके बारे में जरूर डिस्कस करेंगे अभी. ठीक है, डन. ठीक है, सो प्लानिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लान इन डिटेल, अदरवाइज इट डज नॉट वर्क, राइट? तो आई थिंक मेरे को थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, 5 मिनट और, राइट? आई विल जस्ट रैप दिस अप फटाफट. ओके, परफेक्ट. जस्ट 2-3 more minutes then. Okay, so content में education, trust and social proof, right? What your product does and all the education, right? Then your trust, personal stories, be vulnerable, share your mistakes, and then comes your social proof, which is your customers, how they're getting impacted. So even if you have one customer, I will create 10 case studies out of it. Already using the product, I will try to create 10 case studies out of it कि ये हो रहा है मार्केट में. ठीक है, आपका कंटेंट मोटिवेशन, ज्ञान, इन्फ्लुएंसर बिहेवियर नहीं होना चाहिए. क्लैरिटी, कन्विक्शन एंड कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ योर जर्नी इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाई आर यू बिल्डिंग समथिंग, करेक्ट? एंड लिंक्डइन इज द मोस्ट अंडररेटेड D2C प्लेटफॉर्म एनी डे. बहुत सारा ऑर्गेनिक रीच है. डिसीजन मेकर्स एंड अर्ली अडॉप्टर्स आर देयर. इट्स अ फ्री डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्लेटफॉर्म which you can use for yourself. Okay, what will work in 2026? Your personal point of view, behind the scenes stories, customer insights, honest failures, industry opinions, clarity, consistency and conversion. So you have the clarity of what message you want to send out. Send it consistently every day with every post, and conversion is inevitable, right? There's no doubt on it. I don't doubt content any day of my life, right? Then comes your community. So this is what I always feel like. Content will help you build a community. A community will build a culture which will build more conversion for you, right? ठीक है, so आपके पास ऑलरेडी 2 लाख का कम्युनिटी है. आपको ये सोचना है कि उस कम्युनिटी में कन्वर्जन का कल्चर कैसे बनाओगे. आपको फंडिंग की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, मैं बता रहा हूँ. हाँ, वहां स्टक हो तो यू नीड समवन हु कैन हेल्प यू बिल्ड अ लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम, करेक्ट? सो ये डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं. डिस्कवरी एंड इमोशंस वर्क ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. YouTube is more detailed videos, trust and going depth into the content. LinkedIn is more authority and narrative and PR and talking to investors, building B2B connections. Twitter is more of opinions and signals. Twitter is never my platform, so I personally don't use it much, right? Content marketing, so content is not for marketing, right? ठीक है, it is a brand infrastructure, right? So brand is different, content is different. So when people come to me saying, are you managing social media for people? No, we are doing content marketing, which involves internal content, external content. Even if my client is going for a session like this with his audience, we end up creating entire PPT for them, right? We do it all together. So now I love action a lot. आपने थोड़ा सा knowledge लिया है, बहुत broad, बहुत superficial knowledge मैंने आप लोग को दिया है. I want you to implement this knowledge. Start implementing today itself. This is a QR code of my LinkedIn content group. Any damn question you have any time for next 10 years, this is completely free support, right? From 2022 workshop to till date, there are 300 people already in the group. Join the group, ask your questions. When you are doing something, post in the group, we did this experiment, talk about it, discuss about it, and then I'll be able to help you more and more. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. मैं यहाँ पे 7 बजे तक हूँ. Anybody has any questions, feel free to walk on over a cup of chai or coffee, and I'll take it from there. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Saurabh, and we will have the Q&A